in seeing how I got this look, which is really easy to achieve, it took less than 30 minutes. Most of it was just applying it and then letting it sit. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned to my channel. So, as I mentioned earlier in this video, we are going to be coloring my hair. I have already previously bleached it a couple of times in the past several months, and I just recently went over my regrowth yesterday. So today I'm going to be using these two colors. They are the Ion Color Brilliance from Ion, and I bought these from Sally's. I've had them for a while now because this was something that I've wanted to do since I bleached my hair. I've done it before when I had like an ombre colored. It was like darker down here, and I did it kind of like a reddish color, and then I added it in through the bottom just in pieces where it was blonder, and it looked really nice, but it did wash out kind of quickly. But I also picked up this from the store. These were on sale. We have a store here locally in South Carolina called Bargain Hunt, and they were actually on sale for $1. So I picked up like every single one of them that they had. It's a peach color, and what I was thinking about doing is mixing the two together and seeing what they come out as. So I have my mixing bowl. And before, when I recently did this a while ago, I just squirted some of it into, oh cool, look at this. Inside of the, this is covered by all of the, it's covered by all of the stickers from the store, but I believe this is L'Oreal's Colorista, and it's in the color Peach 001, and in it comes its own little brush, so you can paint it on as you please. Luckily, I only had one brush that I use all the time, and that's what I was going to use to mix in with the rose gold color into the mixing bowl. But I actually have another bowl, so I'll go ahead, and I don't have to clean off brushes. I can just kind of go in between both of them. So I'm just going to open this up so you can kind of see. It is a very orange color. And the rose gold color is a really pretty shimmery pink color, if you can see that. So I bought two because I had bought one before, and it was buy one get one free. I love when I can stock up and get deals like that at Sally's because I know one is just not going to cut it, and that's why I was kind of wanting to introduce the peach color into it, because I wanted to see how it was going to look together, and also as a filler in case I don't have enough of the pink. Now I'm going to my nephew's graduation. I'm flying out tomorrow afternoon to Florida, and I hope this isn't just too much. So I went through one tube of it, and it comes out like this in the bowl. So that's actually, I think, is kind of quite a bit. Now, in the past, I have mixed these colors with like a white conditioner that has made it a little bit more paler, but when I did that, the color really did wash out within 2 or 3 washes. It didn't last at all. So I think I'm going to start with just the one tube and see how far I get with that. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to just do a little bit of this. I'm just going to do a half a tube of the Colorista. One of the other things that I did pick up from the store while I was there, because it was also on sale for $1 each, was the Colorista Clear Mix. This is good for making your own pastel shades. I have so much of the peach And I have so many of these. And I don't think I want to do that this time. I don't think this peach is going to come out too bad. But I'm hesitant. I wonder if I should just mix it just to see, or if I should just wait, if I should use it for another time. Oh, what the heck, let's just do it. Let's just add in a little bit. Let's see. Shampoo and dry hair fully, squeeze into, yeah, mix together. The less clear mixer, the more intense your color. Okay. And that also comes with a brush as well. So we're going to have brushes galore. I like that. That's a good thing. Good looking out, L'Oreal. So I'm just going to take the clear mix because I've decided now that I'm actually going to use that and mix it in with the peach. Just squirts, little squirts. Look at that. Nothing too crazy. You can see. Nothing too crazy. Just a little bit. Mix it up and see how we like that. So that's what it actually looks like with the mix, and I just did a few more squirts of the white. There's still a whole thing of clear mix in there, just toning it down just a bit. So what I'm going to do now, I didn't style my hair or even blow dry it after I washed it this morning from doing my hair. See, I still get the bands because my hair is so dark that when I bleach it, it just doesn't pick up enough. And no matter how many times I go over it and with toners, I still get like the bands. There's just no getting around it. So it is what it is. So let's get to it. I'm just going to put on my gloves. Is that you, boo-boo? Yeah. Oh. Isaiah. Alright, so I got my pink gloves on, and I'm going to get these. I didn't read the directions, but yeah, it says leave on for 30 minutes for best result, rinse with hair, and yeah, that's that. From this, the ion, it says ready to use, do not mix with peroxide, contains no ammonia or any harsh chemicals. Long-lasting dyes can be permanent. So I'm going to get rid of these out of my way so I have more workspace. I guess I'll leave the door open for now. Now you can't see my robes. I just put on this crappy white t-shirt, so I really don't care. I have a lot of hair, so I might actually need to put in some more pink. And originally my plan was just to go through and kind of do the underneath and maybe highlights here and there. But I think I'm just going to go for it, guys. So my natural part, I part it like this. So that's what we're going to work with. But I'm also going to go underneath first. And take a clip. I'm extremely nervous right now because I'm doing this the day before I'm leaving for a graduation ceremony with my family. What am I thinking? I don't know. Okay. So, yeah. I texted my husband. I said, should I dye my hair pink for the trip? And he's like, go for it. My son is not as happy about it. He is not like on board with mommy having funky colored hair. He likes mommy to be blonde. But you know what? Live a little. Have some fun. It's only hair. So mix that in. Make sure that you want to pull it through. Because from experience, if you don't work it in really well, it tends to just stick on the outsides, and then the insides don't really get coated that well, so you'll end up with patches. So I'm going to go with that. Alright, put in a little bit of the orange right here. And once the orange is on the hair, it doesn't look too bad. And it's kind of mixing in because my gloves now are like between pink from me rubbing it in. So I'm interested to see what that's going to look like. Sorry, I'm not looking into the camera. I'm looking into the mirror while I'm doing that. What it looks like now. It's been on about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and then hopefully it'll look exactly as what I envision in my head that it's going to look like. So okay, so this is the final result after I've washed it out and blow dried it and curled it just a tiny bit with the straightener. So not too bad. I'm trying to stand outside so you can get the natural light of it and kind of see what it looks like. And you can see down here, this side definitely is a lot less heavy than this side got. So, yeah. That is the final product of the two hair colors, the Ion light pink, I think it was called the Rose Quartz, and the Colorista Peach 100. As you can see, I kind of mix the two, intermixing between different strands, and this is the final result.